Today we will talk about how to install the PCIe driver. Open Management. Find Facility Management. Find the PCIe port. If you can't find it, you can refresh it and it will be displayed. Then right-click Update Driver. Select the manual switch below. Select our manual program. Then click Next. Then we're done. Now let's talk about how to install a PCIe card. Before we install the PCIe board, take this off first. Break it apart, then pull it down. Then plug it into the motherboard PCIe port. Then fix it with screws. Usually we plug it in the back piece. These two in this row. Don't plug in this position. There are no pros and cons. You just plug it in like this. If you plug it upside down, you can't plug it in. Be sure to break it apart when opening. Then you can pull it out. You can see that if it is inserted upside down like this, the card is not in the end, a part will be exposed. Then the fiber is plugged in. This is the step of installing the PCIe board for the first time. Just turn it on normally and install the driver later. This is a hardware specification sheet for a computer. You can refer to this configuration. Avoid using water-cooled radiators as much as possible, as there is a risk of leakage, which could damage internal computer components. Also note that if your computer supports hyperthreading, you need to disable this hyperthreading setting. If you don't know how to turn it off, you can refer to the method I showed at the end of the video. How to shut down the CPU small core and hyperthreading. Take this 13,600K as an example. It's 6 big cores plus 8 small cores. There are 14 cores in total. 20 threads. Then we reboot the computer. Start pounding the delete key on the keyboard until the BIOS interface pops up. Then press F7 to enter advanced mode. Select Advanced menu. Select CPU settings. Then flip to the bottom. Open the processor core means shutting down the big core. You mean do not close if you choose all. Option 5 is to close 1. Option 4 is to close 2. And so on. Below this, active efficient cores. Turn on the energy efficiency core. You mean closing the little core. Same as all. All means not close. 0 is all off. The middle 7 is to close 1. 6 is to close 2. And so on. And then the following is the on and off of the hyperthread. Here we choose disable. So this is just 13,600 kF with 6 large nuclei in 8 small nuclei. Other CPUs only. The numbers are different, it means the same. We click F10 and save.